everyone, today we're gonna open our new TV from this big box.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ano pangalan ng TV natin?
Sony.
It's a Bravia XR. The model is A80J. That's 77 inches. Cognitive processor. Actually, that's the one that I like with this TV. I don't know some of the LG has like this processor. This processor is like it processes the capability to make sure that the skin tone is right, the color looks right, and the clarity looks right. So it's like a human brain, something like that. And then the Boots is there.
Bootsy.
Boots is excited to open the box. Alright.
But he's warning earlier.
So are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited to open the box?
Yeah. Let's see
Let's
how big
open.
it is.
Let's see.
Yeah, let's see how
Okay.
big it is.
Okay.
Okay.
Sino natin yung old TV natin?
That's not old.
That's good. That's already 11 years old TV.
11 years old and big.
So we're ready to open the box.
Ready to open. Here is the remote control.
Control ko naman na. Opening.
Control. Here.
Controls and the wires for
The stand.
stand and the left stand.
Another stand too.
Yeah.
We got this too.
We got. Yes. Nipis ng TV oh.
I can do this.
Super
Can
nipis.
you open this? Oh my God! Sorry, boss. Oh, up more, up. Ah, ng ceiling fan. The ceiling fan. Ah, ow, it's heavy. Oh, yeah, let's go.
Okay, lagyan mo doon.
Oh, here's the TV. What do you like to put there? Can I get a figure it out? Okay, we're done installing our new big TV.
Okay, lalagyan na natin ang mga wires. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, here's our TV. Ganda. OLED. Tingnan mo na ito rin.
Hi everyone, we have a new big and beautiful new TV.
Okay.
And
Tapos,
it's better than the old one. And oh look, there's the
Oh,
colors.
look,
It's
yeah.
beautiful. See?
kinang It's very OLED kasi. See the red? The red is beautiful. See the dark, the black color is really black. Look at
Meow
the
meow.
cat.
I like meow meow.
See, it's very
It's
clear.
not bootsy. It's bootsy.
Wow! Ganda, no? Ay, yung old TV natin nasaan na pala?
It's in the big room. Look, me.
You wanna show us the old TV? Nasaan ang old TV?
It's all the way in here in the big. It's here in the big.
Yeah, dito na ang old TV.
And the other small and old TV, we throw it away in the.
Ano?
We throw it away there.
The what?
The old TV that we took it out. We
Oh.
put it. We threw it somewhere.
Even the small dot, hindi overexposed.
Coconut.
Very, very small light. It's not that exposed, very exposed. See? See the details. Small dot. That one. In some TV, you cannot see that. It's already blew up.
See you next time, and don't forget to click the subscribe button and like button. Bye!
Bye.
Bye-bye!